Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm Ashley and I'm Angelique, and today we're showing you our updated curly hair wash routine slash wash and go style. Today we're showing you new products and a quick little DIY that we've been loving. And if you aren't already, please subscribe and let's get into the video. We always start off with splitting our hair into sections. We usually do 4, but sometimes we do 6. It honestly depends on how much hair you have. You may do more because you have more hair, or less if you have less hair. But 4 is usually where we're at all the time. 4 is manageable, so we clip our hair into 4 sections. So then you take down the first section. We start off by just wetting the hair, putting some water in it, running our fingers through it to start softening it up so it's easier to detangle. And before we put in any products, we do this for all 4 sections, just getting the hair wet first. Now we're always trying different products for our hair, different shampoos and conditioners, but right now we're really liking the Aussie Moist conditioner. It's very moisturizing and it's very affordable, inexpensive, and they do sell it in bulk, so you're getting a lot for your money. This conditioner has a lot of slip, so it's very easy on the hair. It makes it easier for you to run your fingers through your hair. It makes your hair more softer and manageable. We use a generous amount of conditioner. We go through a lot of conditioner, but we really just like to make sure our hair is covered, saturated in conditioner. Really pack it in so that our hair gets all the moisture it needs. Also, we can't forget to finger detangle. You need to be doing this as you're applying the conditioner, only when there is product in the hair, because if you do this on dry hair, you can break your hair because your hair is too dry. So using conditioner while finger detangling is key to making sure that you don't cause any breakage. Also, you may have noticed that we skipped shampoo and went straight to conditioner. Today we're doing a co-wash on our hair because we shampoo almost every week. It's kind of harsh on the scalp and on the hair. It makes your hair more dry. It's just kind of unnecessary to do every week, so this week we're doing a co-wash. It's also very easy to forget to apply conditioner to the partings in your hair where you parted your hair, as well as the front of your head, your edges, the nape of your neck, and behind your ears. And after you've let the conditioner sit for about 10 minutes, we're going to go back into the shower, and here is where a new technique comes in. To ensure that our hair stays detangled throughout this whole washing process, right before we decide to wash out the conditioner, we just dip our hair underneath the water for a second to get it wet again, and then we finger detangle with the conditioner still in our hair one last time to make sure all of the tangles are out, and then we can go ahead and rinse out all of the conditioner, and then we just twist it back up. And we're just going to repeat the process for the next 3 sections of our hair. Again, we're just going to dip the hair underneath the water for a second to get it a little bit wet so we can detangle one last time before rinsing out all the conditioner. Again, we want to make sure that there's no tangles in the hair while we still have the product in, so that we still have the extra slip. Now that we're done washing, we're going to start off by adding in the product. Today we're using this Aunt Jackie's Not On My Watch Instant Detangling Therapy. This is our first time using it. Honestly, not a huge fan. It's a little bit drying, but it'll do for now. And after that, we're applying Old Faithful, the Melanin Haircare Style Elongating Cream. Love this stuff. You guys know it. We rave about it. It's amazing. This Style Elongating Cream does a really good job in packing in extra moisture into the hair with that shea butter. So thick, so wholesome and healthy. Make sure you're adding it to your scalp as well. And then of course we're using our Melanin Hair Care Oil. This oil does a really great job in just sealing in all of that moisture. And it's a nice finishing product. And now for a quick little DIY, we made our own flaxseed gel. We're gonna go ahead and show you this DIY right now. So first we just start off with a pot of water to boil. You're going to need some organic flax seeds, just straight up flaxseed, nothing fancy, nothing special. We bought our flax seeds from Target. Most grocery stores should have them. You're also going to need a measuring cup, or really just a glass, a cup of some sort, and a stocking or pantyhose. You can sacrifice one of your own, that's what we did, or you can just buy one. They're really cheap, like 50 cents to $1. So you're just gonna put the pot on the stove, and then you can go ahead and pour in your flax seeds. We didn't end up using the whole jar. We thought actually the jar wouldn't be enough, but it was fine. We just used like most of it, but not all of it. So this is gonna take a few minutes to start boiling, but once it does, it's gonna start looking like this. It's gonna start bubbling and getting a little foamy, and then you would start seeing the consistency form. Make sure that you're stirring the flax seeds so that it doesn't stick to the bottom and that there's enough water in the pot. Just let it get to a boil, and then you will start seeing the gel form. Once it starts boiling and the water gets slimy, make sure you turn on the temperature, or this will happen. And after a while, the water will become really slimy, and we have gel. Make sure that you let the gel sit for a while so that it can cool down before you move on to the next step. So now you're gonna need your pantyhose, and you're going to cut off the bottom of one of the feet, and you're gonna take this part and roll it up and fit it over a measuring cup. That's what we're using, but you can use a cup, anything that's just gonna be wide enough so that the stocking could fit around it, and you can be able to pour in the gel down the center. Now you can begin pouring the gel in the stocking, and this will strain the gel so that the seeds aren't going to be in your flaxseed gel. You can also use a strainer, but the pantyhose allows you to squeeze out the excess gel that you may leave behind. You know, you don't really want to waste any of it. Once the stocking is full, you can go ahead and start hand squeezing the extra gel out of the stocking. And once that's done, you have a whole cup of flaxseed gel. It's very simple. Great, so now that you know how to make flaxseed gel, this is our next step, adding it to our hair. It's very moisturizing. It really does a great job in clumping up the curls, and it's a great sealant. This gel doesn't leave your hair crunchy at all, and the best part is it doesn't leave your hair white. I mean, it looks white right now, that's because of the shea butter, but the gel really doesn't leave any white residue in your hair. And it's very natural. You made it yourself using only 2 ingredients, water and flaxseed. You know exactly what's in it, so there's no artificial dyes, parabens, no sulfates. So we just continue these steps with the rest of our hair. If you go back and watch our previous hair wash routines or previous hair washing videos, you would see that there's an obvious difference in our hair. The gel really does make the hair super defined. It really makes the curls pop, which is why we love it. We really love this updated hair wash routine. It just leaves our hair very defined. So now we're going to show you what we do outside of the shower. We recently started diffusing. This is a Hot Tools Tourmaline 3000 blow dryer with the diffuser attachment on it. Now this blow dryer definitely isn't no Diva Curl blow dryer, but it is pretty good. It's a pretty affordable price for a really good blow dryer. I mean, it's one of the more affordable good blow dryers. I guess we can just say that. And diffusing, there's really not many ways to do it. It's just putting the attachment on and drying the hair, crimping it a little bit to get all the curls dried and to get the roots of your hair dried. So yeah guys, that's pretty much it. After diffusing, we're done. So that is our updated curly hair wash routine / wash and go, plus a DIY with the flaxseed gel. We really hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. As always, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Check out our playlist and our description down below, and we will see you in the next one. Bye!